Learn how to cook white beans in the Instant Pot. Quick, easy, no soaking required. We're going to start with 1 cup of dry beans, your choice, garbanzo, butter, navy, cannellini, whatever you prefer. And to that, we're going to use 6 or 7 cups of water. You just want to make sure there's at least a couple inches of water over the top of the beans. I like to start with boiling hot water. That way it makes it cook even faster because the Instant Pot doesn't have to bring it up to temperature. Now, to this water, I'm going to make it into vegetable broth using my Intentionally Eat vegetable broth powder. If you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description below. You can use whatever bouillon that you prefer or just plain water. It's up to you. But here's a couple of secret tips. Do not salt your beans when you are cooking them. Wait until you serve them. And if you're prone to gassiness, put a piece of kombu in the water while you're cooking it. It will help ease any type of gas that you might have. Now, we're just going to add the beans into the broth or water, give it a good stir, put the lid on it, and let those cook for 30 minutes, and then a nice natural release for 15 minutes. If you prefer an even softer bean, you can just let it have a complete natural release. And you've got great beans that you can have meal prepped in your fridge for the entire week. Throw them in a casserole, throw them in soup, throw them on a salad, put them in a tortilla. You have a fantastic meal full of fiber, full of protein. Now, if you want more recipes like this, then hit that like and subscribe. And remember, grab a free snack smoothie cookbook in the description below.